I'm not a vengeful person, but today I'll make an exception.
The moon haunts you!
You went down pretty hard.
Hey, Dee! Enjoy the amplifier!
Nice.
Spider-Man returns! Someone scratch my back!
Ready to put on a show! It's the grand finale!
This is real firepower!
By the eye of Agamotto!
Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
Now I've got something to prove.
I like the cold. He's soft and weak.
That's the problem.
The moon haunts you!
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man! That put some pep in my step.
Well for your age.
Yeah.
Must belong to
Control lost.
Hey, Dee! Enjoy the amplifier! Someone scratch my back! I get a D for the day!
A disappearing.
Here they come! You're welcome!
That put some pep in my step.
Before you attack, get ready.
Get me off ruling your awesome black empire.
One cannot leave an empire when there is chaos at home.
Really, Eddie? After all the times you've tried to ruin my life,
Only
I'm
I
hurt.
put it away. So you're a friendly neighborhood Black Panther? Wow.
The battle starts in 5.
In that case,
4,
we've always been the best
3,
of friends.
2,
Definitely no bad blood
1.
here.
All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
They say that music brings the world together.
We don't win this.
But right now, I
Future is
think
pretty
we need
clear.
superheroes for that.
Relay deployed!
I am ready to put on a show!
You're welcome!
It's the grand finale! We are undefeatable!
Now I've got something to prove.
Hey, Dee! Enjoy the amplifier!
Pure chaos!
Crack the whip!
By the eye of Agamotto!
Behind you!
I like the cold.
response.
I'm not a vengeful person, but today I'll make an exception.
I like the cold.
Someone scratch my back.
The moon haunts you!
That's the problem. That put some pep in my step.
Midnight Place and all hits the grand finale. I am ready to put on a show. I like the cold.
You're welcome.
Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
Must grace us with victory! In Wakanda!
I'll patch you up. That fucking hurt.
We are undefeatable!
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
A nice deep freeze.
Nice.
The symbiote
Keep
Spider-Man
fighting until we have winners!
The moon haunts you!
See that? Missing. Look what
Back in the swing of things.
Captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
That put some pep in my step.
Moonlight placed an arc.
Control lost. We'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner. It's the grand finale.
By the hour!
It's party time! I am ready to put on a show.
Stay away from that arc if it starts to hover. Don't worry, I got the arc.
There we are.
But also my partners let me.
Moonlight's house has been destroyed.
Glory is almost yours.
You can't get rid of us so easy.
I gotta do better this time.
Relay
You know what to do, Spider.
Steer clear of the spider net.
Keep fighting until we have a winner.
With the amazing Spider-Man.
The moon haunts you!
Put some pep in my step.
Enjoy the fire!
I am ready to put on a show. It's the grand finale.
back in the swing of things.
Turn around, quick. That one hurt.
By the eye of Agamotto!
It's spider time!
I'm not a vengeful person, but today I'll make an exception.
I suck. I'm not just. You're doing better than they are. You attack. Get ready. Be your best self.
I couldn't even trust you to write an accurate news story, Eddie. What's changed? You've
The
also
battle
tried to
starts in
devour me
5,
more times than I can
4,
count. So
3,
pardon my skepticism.
2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it? I like it.
Spider-Man, watch out!
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Now I've got something to prove.
We captured the mission area!
My war, my crown. New entry in the war journal.
The moon haunts you!
New weapons.
I am ready to put on a show!
I gotta do better this time.
Your team's capture progress has passed the
By the eye of Agamotto! Born again!
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
best self.